President William Ruto is defiant about the construction of a state lodge in Imenti Forest, Meru County. Even with a court order issued last week halting any further clearing or construction within the forest, the head of state, who is speaking in Meru today, says the construction will proceed as he hit out at the opposition, who have fiercely opposed the move. Jeff Kirui with the details.
Welcome to Meru.
On Tuesday last week, the Environment and Land Court in Meru stopped the construction of State House Lodge, airstrip and golf course within Imenti Forest until the petition filed challenging the construction is heard and determined. However, the government, in complete disregard of the order, is determined to push through with the construction.
Nani anasema ya kwamba rais hawezi kulala Nyeri, hawezi kulala Meru? Si ndio? Si kama tumejenga state lodge mahali pengine, si tujenge ya hapa? Hiyo watu wawache upuzi bwana. Ama namna gani?
Ni madharau. Eti tukitaka state lodge tukimbie Sagana, iko karibu sana. Hatutakimbia Sagana, tutajenga yetu hapa.
Buruyeruri High School 60th anniversary played host to the rising political temperatures between the ruling administration and the united opposition heading into the August 10th, 2027 polls, as President William Ruto promised his opponents a bracing contest. President Ruto has faced criticism over his constant travels in and outside the country, also hit out at his critics.
Wale watu tutawaonyesha kivumbi watashangaa. Ni kweli ama si kweli? They will get shocked. Unajua, wanafikiri ya kwamba wanaweza kutuadaa, wanatubeba ufala. Mtu ambaye hana record ya kufanya kitu chochote. Nyinyi mkipima wale watu wako na agenda kweli ya kupeleka Kenya mbele?
Next year, kura yetu yote kwa William Samoei. Ama mnasemaje jameni? Rais Ruto ni fire si fire? Aendelea si endelee? Ni noma si noma? Wacha nione two-term ya Rais William Ruto, two-term ya... Hey!
President Ruto's tour of Meru is coming at the time the ruling regime is facing mounting opposition from the Mount Kenya region that propelled it to power in the last election.
William Ruto ametoka kule mkono mtakatifu akagusa kijana yetu Meru Kithure Kindiki. Ndio tunaambiwa one term. Tunasema kwamba William Samoei Ruto Meru tuko na kura almost 1.1 million. Na hizo kura zote ni sako.
The push by the ruling regime to endear itself back to the vote-rich Mount Kenya region is set to intensify as the president is expected for a series of tours in the region in July. Jeff Kirui, KTN.
Well, that story leads us